All right, I am having little time outside. It's snowy. I got a new mic because my other one just broke. I just came back from overseas. I was in Europe to visit the family, so it was good. It was pretty. Uh, the weather was pretty mild compared to here, but we're talking about Europe, so it's kind of normal. It's always nicer over there compared to Canada. So I want to talk today about YouTube Shorts again. I want to let you know about the progress because sometimes it's only a one-off. You get a lot of good results just a one time, and then there's no more progress. And yeah, so I wanted to let you know what is it with my progress, because I've been kind of pushing YouTube Shorts to people watching my videos. I've been telling them that if you're doing long form videos, don't like sleep on shorts because they can help you to grow your channel and get monetized and actually make money of your shorts. Probably a lot more money than you would with your long form videos as a beginner. I'm not talking if you have a channel that you've had for a long time and you're already making good money. You probably are able to make a good income from that. But for people that are just starting on YouTube, it can be a little bit demoralizing when it takes a long time to grow a channel and to get monetized and to make a decent income on YouTube. So shorts, okay. Since I started to actually make, I would say, like a decent income for me, like I was never thinking I could make $500 and more per month just randomly posting little 5 seconds videos, 5 to 7 seconds. Yet here we are. I am making over 500. It's been like 3 months now, easily. Um, so the first month I did make $1,900. I'm talking about Canadian dollars. The second month I made a little over, I think it was 860 Canadian dollars. And this month, it's not the end of the month yet. It's almost the end of the month though. And right now I'm sitting at $760 for this month. So I'm pretty sure I will hit at least 800. So like after that, like YouTube takes, I think they take about 20% taxes. So you end up having a little less in your bank account because they take the taxes. Can't do anything about that. This is how it is. And it's still working. So I'm not posting as much as before. So I am now posting 3 to 4 per day. I used to post 5 a day. Now I kind of like set it back to 3 to 4, just because I've been so busy and I just didn't want to get burnt out with the rhythm that I had. I wanted to post 5 and more But I'm like, that's probably not realistic for most of people out there. So I'm just gonna test less because I'm busy. And 3 was okay. Oh, I'm a little bit out of breath because it's cold, but it's okay. So I've had another video that went viral just a few days ago, and that one video, I think it had 2.9 million views. And of that one video, I'm sitting right now at $350 for that one video. So yeah, my point is one video can actually make your month. So the more you're gonna post, publish videos, the more chances you'll have to have one video go viral, and that can make your month. So like if you get to, you know what I mean, like what my message here is that don't give up because you're getting to half month, let's say the half month mark, and you're like, oh, I'm not making anything, there's no point, I'm gonna give up. Because you might get to day 25 of your month, and that literally that one video is gonna go viral, take off, and maybe just make you $1,000. Just that one video. So my point here is that YouTube Short is great because a one little 5 seconds video can make you thousands of dollars, at least hundreds of dollars. And I can be the proof of that because it happened to me more than once, where I've had like 1 or 2 videos just make over $700. So yeah, don't give up on shorts. I seriously, I'm telling you that it doesn't matter if you're creating long form videos, your shorts are gonna help you grow your channel. From that one video that just went viral recently, I've had, I think, 230 new subscribers. So yeah, people are gonna say, yeah, but you know, the subscribers that you have for shorts are not gonna watch your long form videos. It doesn't matter to me, honestly. At the end of the day, as long as I grow my channel and as long as my shorts are actually making me some sort of income, and you know what, I'm not even expecting 500 a month. As long as I make it like 100 a month, I'll be happy because it's still something, and I'm definitely not greedy. And I just want to prove to everyone that it is possible to create an income with like little 5 seconds videos on YouTube Shorts. It doesn't have to be overcomplicated. And as I said, you can just like create simple videos that are not even they don't have like to solve a problem of someone. You know how they say like YouTube is good for solving problems of people, you know, people like to watch those videos. They don't have to, they just can be entertaining. Trust me, it doesn't have to be hard to make at all. So yeah, I created a little course as well. It is on sale right now. I literally dropped the price 50% down. So if you wanted to check it out, the link is in the description for you to check that little mini course on how to create an income with YouTube Shorts. So yeah, definitely have a try. Just don't give up on YouTube. YouTube is a beast, and honestly, Short videos are still the way are still the way to grow in 2025, 2026. So start your YouTube channel, start with YouTube shorts, and like slowly create your long form videos. I promise you, you're not gonna regret it. You will make some small income on the side eventually. Don't give up on day one. Don't give up on day 15. Keep going. It's worth it, guys. I'll see you on the next video.